Maavybooks Managing Outstanding Expenses. Outstanding expenses are the ones which are yet to be paid. Maavybooks make it really simple and easy to manage and keep track of the outstanding expenses. In this video, we will learn how to manage and record the outstanding expenses paid in Maavybooks Outstanding Expense. To view outstanding expenses, click on Outstanding Expenses button in Dashboard. You can also use Sidebar to navigate to outstanding expenses. On Outstanding Expense Book, we can see a chart showing summary of all your outstanding expenses along with paid and dues. Under the Outstanding Expenses summary, we can see the summary of every outstanding expense transaction. That is the amount due, paid, and balance from each transaction. To record the payment paid to outstanding expense, click on Pay button under Outstanding Expenses Payment Summary. Beside the transaction you want to pay the payment to, you will be redirected to the Outstanding Expense Pay page. Here, you can simply record the payment of your outstanding expense by filling the few details. Transaction number is the unique number generated by Maavybooks for your every transaction. This makes it easy to record, view, edit, and delete transactions in Maavybooks. Enter the date of your transaction, then select the type in which the payment is paid. This can be either in cash or bank. Then select bank in case the type is bank. If your bank is not shown in select bank box, you can simply add it by visiting an bank section in bank book. Then enter the amount paid along with the interest charge or discount allowed any on the payment. The total amount will be automatically calculated. Enter the particular including the details of the payment transaction. Recheck all the details entered by you. Although it can be edited afterwards, but checking it before submitting is a good practice. Now, click on Submit button. If all the details are filled correctly, you will be shown an alert box with success message. Congrats, you have successfully added your outstanding expense payment paid in Outstanding Expense Book. You can view your payment under Report section of Outstanding Expense Book along with outstanding expenses. You can also view the history of your outstanding expense payments recorded along with the date and time of the transaction under the History section of Outstanding Expense Book. Editing Outstanding Expense Payment Paid Transaction. Editing the outstanding expense payment paid transaction is also very simple in Maavybooks. Just go to Report section of Outstanding Expense and click on Edit. You can see the pre-filled form with all your details. Change the details you want to edit and then click on Submit. You will be shown an alert box with success message. Deleting an outstanding expense payment transaction is again simple. Just go to Report section under Outstanding Expense Book. Click on Delete button beside the transaction you want to delete. A dialog box appears. Click Yes if you want to delete this transaction. The transaction will be deleted from your outstanding expense payment reports. You can check history of all your initial entries, updations and deletions under the history section of the outstanding expense book. Hope this tutorial helped you managing outstanding expense payments in Maavybooks Outstanding Expense Book. Happy accounting journey ahead.